Hello friends, today we will discuss about some important chemical compounds. Number 1, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. It is also called chloride of lime. It is manufactured by the action of chloride on dry slagged lime. It is a yellowish white powder. When it exposed to air, it gradually loses its chlorine. It is used for bleaching cotton, paper, linen as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry. It is also used as an disinfectant in purification of water. 2. Plaster of Paris (POP) is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. It is obtained by heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin in a kiln. At about above 373 Kelvin, a dead burnt plaster calcium sulfate is obtained. On absorption of water, plaster of Paris gives a hard solid mass called gypsum. Now it is used in making toys, statues, joining bones, sealing air gaps in laboratory apparatus, in cornice. Now number 3, quicklime CaO is a man-made compound from a naturally occurring limestone calcium carbonate in a kiln at about 1273 Kelvin. Lime is an amorphous solid white. When added to water, it produces a hissing sound. The reaction is highly exothermic. The reaction with water of quicklime is called slacking of lime. Now its uses. It is used as a drying agent in drying ammonia, alcohol, in the manufacture of cement, glass, calcium chloride, in whitewashing.